Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. I think you all know that we are learning Vedic Maths, and in the previous classes we just learned about how to do a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication very easily. And in 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication also we learn so many procedures, that is grid method, sum of the products, or by expanding the multiplier and multiplicand we done multiplication. And we learned already about this, how to square the numbers which the numbers are ending with 5. And if the ones place is 10, then if the ones place digits, sum of the ones place digits is 10, and if the tens place digits are same, then like that we just learned so many things. And now today we are learning about by one less than the previous one. Very simple. This one in Vedic Maths, the procedure, the sutra we are applying for this is Ekanyivena Purvena. The meaning of this is by one less than the previous one. Okay. So before starting the video, I just request you all, please share, like, subscribe my channel. Okay friends, now without getting late, we'll start the class. By one less than the previous one. So this is the thing we are learning today. So what is this thing? First we will listen and then we will start it. For the multiples of 9 as a multiplier, the first digit is less than the first digit of multiplicand, and subtract the second digit from the multiple of 9. For example, if you all know that this multiplication 5 9s are, but what you should do is, for this you just subtract 1 from this, so the answer will be 4, and this is going to become your tens digit. And now the ones digit will be the same, this 5. For example, one more question, 6 9s are. So what you should do, just subtract 1 from this, you'll get 5 here, so that is going to become your tens place. And what will happen to the ones place? Whatever the result you are getting, this result you should subtract from 9. For example, 7 9s are. So first 7 minus 1, that is 6, and this number you should subtract with 9, 3. So the answer is 63. But remember friends, when you are going to apply this sutra is, when compared to this number should be small. Okay. Okay, now we'll go for 2 digits, the same procedure. 25 multiplied by 99. Now you just see here, 25 minus 1, that is 24. And from 99 you should subtract 24. What you'll get? 75. So the answer is 2475. Now we will see this answer by the original procedure. 99 multiplied by 25. 5 9s are 45. Again 5 9s are 45 plus carry 4, 49. 2 9s are 18. Again 2 9s are 18 plus carry 1, 19. 5 7 10 plus 4, 14, 2. Okay friends. Now I'll just go with one more example for you to make it more clear. 37 multiplied by 99. So what is our first step? 37 minus 1, you all know that 36, and 99 minus 36, that is 63. And for example, so less than 99, so I have so many numbers. 87 multiplied by 99. 87 minus 1 is 86, and 99 minus 86 is 13. So we'll go with one more example, that is 91 multiplied by 99. 91 minus 1 is 90, and 99 minus 90 is 9. So we will check this with our original procedure. 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Again 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So the answer is 9009. So friends, by seeing this you can easily understand, and we can do this with 3-digit and 4-digit also. But remember one thing, you should do this with nines only. This rule is applicable when the multiplicand is nines, and when you compare this number should be, means the first number, nothing but multiplier, should be smaller than the multiplicand. And if 9 is there, then you can apply this formula or sutra. Okay, so this sutra in English, by 1 less than the previous one. And in Sanskrit, the word is ekanvena purvena. This is the sutra we have followed here. I hope you all understand this. Please give me a thumbs up to me. Thank you for listening.